So we've gone and bagged ourselves a SENA 10C EVO. And we're going to try and find out whether this is worth every penny of our hard-earned dosh. So stick around for a few minutes because that's coming up right now. Hi everyone, my name's Bobby Max. Now today we're going to be taking a look at the new flagship from SENA, the 10C EVO. Now if you're new to the channel and you like two-wheel related stuff, we'd hope you consider subscribing, hit that bell notification and we will tell you when we have new reviews on the way. Oh yeah, if you've been here before, welcome back. So as we all know, SENA are renowned for the quality, and let me say the 10C EVO is no exception to the rule. Now the unit does boast a full Bluetooth suite and it can also capture your ride in stunning 4K quality. And for all you budding young vloggers out there, you can capture audio via an audio input. Now although the unit does cost nearly £400 at $390, and I also recognise that some of you out there are probably going to be thinking, how much? Let me tell you, it is a bit of a wallet denter, but you do get a lot for your money. I should flippin' well think so. Now with that said, I think we should probably have a look to see what comes with the unit. So we've decided to spare the tedious part where you watch us all unbox it, because to be fair, that'd be pretty boring, wouldn't it? But while we do have it unboxed, we'll have a look to see what you get with it. To start with, you get three different sorts of clamp. You have your standard SENA clamp mount, as you can see here. You've got your curved sticky mount 3M1, which attaches to the side of your helmet, which are the ones I prefer to use because they just look a little bit neater and it cuts down on the weight. But I am also excited to try this new one from SENA, which has a twisty thing on it, which allows you just to get a good line of sight when you're actually using and attaching it to the main unit. There are a couple of foam pads, as you can see here, that go over the top of the bendy mic. Bendy mic is generally used for flip front helmets, but if you have a full face helmet, there's also a standard type microphone which attaches to the inside of the chin piece. You've got the two high quality speakers themselves, but for the speakers you also get these pad out mounts. Now the reason you want to be using these is you're looking to get the speakers as close to the ear as possible without actually touching the ear, which is going to dramatically increase the sound quality you get from the unit itself. There are a couple of little foam things that stick over the top of the speakers themselves like that, a standard micro USB charging type cable, and also an onboard one which allows you to charge the unit while you're actually riding. Now I did actually make a daft comment earlier about the price of this unit, but to be honest with you, when you handle the components and the unit itself and what it actually does, is I am actually starting to see why they charge the type of money they do for this unit. But I guess we won't really know until we give it a proper test. So with that said, let's get on with that right now. So folks, it's not me doing the test ride today because we've enlisted the help of Andy the Rider. Thanks Andy the Rider. So while he's taking the unit on a test ride, I'm going to tell all you nerds out there like me, yeah, geeky nerd, a little bit about the specifications of this thing. Anyway, so let's get on with it. It's got a maximum video bitrate of 60 megabytes per second, that's at 4K of course, and it can also film UHD at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 60 frames per second. Now the video recording time of this unit's around about an hour and a half, and it will also accept a 125GB micro SD card. Now the unit also has a 1200 mAh battery, which is going to give you about 20 hours of talk time, because let's not forget this unit is also a fully functioning intercom suite. Now it takes roughly about 2.5 hours to charge up, and you will get around about a mile direct line of sight of course intercom between yourself and up to 4 other riders. Now the Bluetooth on this is the latest 4.1 specifications, which means that you are going to get voice command over most of the functionality of this unit. Not all of it, but most of it. Now to be honest with you, I could go on and on and on about the specifications of this unit because it's just got so many features, but to be honest with you, I think you get a bit bored of that. So folks, if you're getting any use out of this video, or you just like tech review stuff to do with bikes, we'd like to hope you consider subscribing, hit that bell notification, and we will inform you when we have new reviews on the way. Now we're hooked up with our old buddies at MSG Bikegear to make this video, so I've left you a couple of links in the description down below where you can take a closer look at this unit if you want to. Now if any of you guys were wondering what we used to film the helmet shots on this video, well it was the DC one from Technologic. It's a front and rear cam and it's an absolutely cracking piece of kit. I've left a little link link up there for you to look at it if you want to. And for anybody that wants to know how to pair one of these units up to your phone and a little bit more of an in-depth look into how to use the unit, there's a video on that just here. But for now, that's all I've got to say. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.